The article discusses potential challenges to the Indian economy in the second half of the year. It addresses concerns about rising crude oil prices due to the West Asia conflict, which could disrupt supply lines and increase transportation costs. The Finance Ministry and RBI expect GDP growth to moderate, citing risks from global uncertainties and geopolitical tensions. Inflation remains a concern, with some prices likely to stay high. The government emphasizes the need to safeguard food, fuel, and fertilizer supplies amid disruptions. Despite uncertainties, the RBI governor expresses confidence in India's macro fundamentals, although higher interest rates could impact investments.
The Criminal Procedure Identification Act (CRPI), passed in April 2022, allows Indian police and central investigating agencies to collect, store, and analyze physical and biological samples, including retina and iris scans, of arrested individuals. While the Act and rules did not specify DNA samples and facial recognition, the National Crime Records Bureau (NCRB) has indicated plans to implement these measures in 1,300 locations nationwide. However, concerns have been raised about privacy violations and data protection. Although police have been trained for fingerprint impressions, iris scanners, DNA collection, and facial recognition systems are not yet provided. The NCRB will maintain a centralized database accessible to authorized officials, and records will be stored for 75 years.
The Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, FSSAI, has recommended the inclusion of QR codes on food products to ensure accessibility for visually impaired individuals. India's growing market for packaged foods and the rise of non-communicable diseases underscore the importance of informed consumer choices. The QR codes, containing details like ingredients, nutritional information, manufacturing date, and allergens, align with FSSAI regulations and disability rights laws. QR codes enhance consumer information, and their usage is increasing globally, with countries like the US, India, France, and the UK being top users, facilitating easier access to product information for consumers.
After a prolonged leadership crisis in the U.S. House of Representatives, Mike Johnson, a representative from Louisiana, was elected as the new Speaker. Johnson, backed by the pro-Trump faction within the Republican Party, emerged as a compromise candidate after the failure of other contenders to secure enough votes. His conservative stance on social issues, opposition to LGBTQ rights, climate change denial, and involvement in legal challenges contesting the 2020 presidential election results align with the Trumpian agenda. As Speaker, Johnson now wields significant power to advance Trump's political objectives, potentially intensifying political polarization and impacting the quality of governance.
V.K. Pandian, a senior IAS officer and aide to Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik, has been appointed as chairman of 5T Transformational Initiatives and Nabeen Odisha, holding the rank of a cabinet minister. He previously served as the CM's private secretary and played a significant role in governance and political strategy for the ruling Biju Janata Dal, BJD. Pandian's swift approval for voluntary retirement and subsequent appointment exemplifies the deep trust he enjoys with the CM. Known for his political acumen and efficiency, Pandian is expected to assume a greater role in the government and the party in the future.